Which roof cargo basket is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find out. Today, we're breaking down the best options to help you make the right choice. Product number 1: WEIZE Heavy Duty Roof Rack. Let's kick things off with the WEIZE Heavy Duty Roof Rack. Priced at $169.99, this basket caught my eye because of its solid construction and the fact that it comes with a waterproof bag, tie-down strap, and net. If you want serious extra storage capacity, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable size, either 34.5x39x5 or 64x39x5, makes it compatible with various vehicles. You can haul up to 200 pounds, which means you can load it up with camping gear or luggage without worrying about weight limits. Plus, the steel construction ensures it can withstand the elements, although it's recommended to store it indoors or use truck bedliner paint for extra rust protection. This basket has a solid 4.4-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, and it's a bestseller, which speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you follow the instructions and take your time. If you're someone who wants a durable and reliable option and doesn't mind spending a few extra minutes on setup, this will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you frequently go on road trips or need extra space for your gear. Skip this one if you're looking for something foldable or if you have specific crossbar dimensions that might not fit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who want a more compact solution. Product number 2: WEIZE 54 Heavy Duty Roof Rack. Next up is the WEIZE 54 Heavy Duty Roof Rack, priced at $159.99. This caught my attention with its compact size and universal fit. If you want a bit more room without going too big, this is definitely worth checking out. It can carry up to 200 pounds and is built from lightweight tubular steel that's both sturdy and rust-resistant. The sleek design also minimizes wind noise, which is a nice touch if you're driving long distances. Plus, it has a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,700 reviews, which shows that many others have found it reliable. Now, some users mention that it doesn't fit all crossbars perfectly, so you need to check compatibility before buying. But honestly, that's pretty common with roof racks. If you're careful with measurements, this is a great option that won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you drive a smaller SUV or car and want a reliable, sturdy rack. Skip this one if you have thicker crossbars or if you need a larger capacity. It's a solid value for the money, making it a smart choice. Now, if the size of the last rack bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3: Max Haul Steel Roof Rack. Now we have the Max Haul Steel Roof Rack, which is priced at $109.99. I was drawn to this rack because of its impressive rating and affordable price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this is one to consider. This rack has a 150 lb capacity and fits most cars, SUVs, and vans. It features a weather-resistant finish, so you won't have to worry about rusting. The raised side rails help keep your cargo secure, which is crucial for long trips. Plus, with a rating of 4.5 stars from over 11,700 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. However, some customers reported that the installation could be a bit tricky without proper tools. But honestly, once you get it set up, the durability and features make it worth the effort. If you're okay with a little DIY installation, this rack is a solid choice for your outdoor adventures. This is perfect for you if you want an economical solution for occasional use. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty or have specific cargo needs. It's an excellent value, especially for those on a budget. Alright, that was a good budget option. But if you're looking for something with a bit more capacity, let's move on to our next pick. Product number 4: ARKSEN Roof Rack Basket. Let's talk about the ARKSEN Roof Rack Basket, priced at $151.96. This caught my attention with its extra-large capacity. If you need serious hauling ability, this is definitely one to watch. This basket measures 64 x 39 and can hold up to 150 pounds, perfect for freeing up valuable cabin space. The reinforced bars and high side rails provide added security for your cargo during travel. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 2,800 reviews, it's clear that this product is appreciated by users. Now, some reviews mention that it may not fit all crossbars perfectly, so be sure to double-check your measurements. But honestly, if you can confirm compatibility, this rack delivers on durability and stability, making it an excellent choice for any adventure. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel with oversized gear or luggage. Skip this one if your vehicle doesn't have the necessary crossbars. It's a solid investment for those needing extra capacity. Now, if you're looking for something with added accessories, don't miss our final product. Product number 5, WEIZE 200 LB Heavy Duty Roof Rack. Finally, we have the WEIZE 200 LB Heavy Duty Roof Rack, also priced at $169.99. This one's pretty similar to the first, but with a bit more emphasis on security features. If you want a robust option that can handle your gear, this is worth considering. The included waterproof bag and cargo net really enhance the security of your items during travel. It's made from heavy-duty steel, so you can trust it to last. And it also has a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,300 reviews, showing it's well regarded. However, some users found that assembly could take a bit of time. Here's the reality though. If you're looking for a reliable and secure option, a little extra time setting it up is worth it for peace of mind on the road. This is perfect for you if you often travel with lots of gear and need extra security. Skip this one if you prefer a more lightweight or easily foldable option. It's a great value for the heavy-duty features you're getting. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 solid roof cargo baskets: the WEIZE Heavy Duty, WEIZE 54, Max Haul ARKSEN, and the WEIZE 200 LB version. Each has its unique strengths, from affordability to heavy-duty performance. Choose the one that best fits your needs, and happy travels.